to say the words?
We all have to.
No,
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 we all
no,
have to
no,
say it.
no, not the water, not the water, not the water.
No, we all have to say Bloody Mary 3 times. Okay, hold her hand.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
Let's say it 13 times.
Bloody Mary, 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 Bloody Mary.
Show yourself.
Bloody Mary, show yourself.
Make the candle go out. Make the candle go out.
Flicker the candle if you're here.
Bloody Mary.
You here?
Or no.
I'm here. We'll find out.
My hand is getting sweaty. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
You know candles do that?
Nuh-uh. It quits though. It quits. Let's quit in a minute. Quit. Please.
Flicker again if you're here.
Okay, I believe.
Oh my god.
Can we light the toilet paper on fire?
No, stink. Bloody Mary, we have your baby.
Show yourself.
Oh, look at this.
It hurts my eyes when I stare at it.
We have your baby, and we're not giving it back.
Well, Leandra has it.
Make the flame really big if you're here.
Okay, ready? We gotta close our eyes again, guys.
Okay, close your eyes. We all have to say it 13 times.
Ready?
Ready?
Blood, if you don't close your eyes,
It won't work.
yeah. So we gotta close your eyes again.
It sounded like I said whispering whenever I was still and y'all were talking. Like it sounded like, you know, whenever, okay.
Touch it. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
No, don't worry. Y'all catch yourselves.
Huh?
Ready?
We have to touch it.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. No, I have to say it too.
Really loud.
The candle's out.
Mother did it.
Look at. Smells good though. Look at it again.
Are we done?
Oh. She just has to relight the candle.